Welcome back, this is Rosie, and welcome to my channel, The Stylish Sicilian. Today's video is going to be a little different. Today I wanted to announce that I am the new brand ambassador for Sarah Flint shoes. If you're not familiar with Sarah Flint, let me introduce you. Sarah Flint's brand should go hand in hand with the word quality because that's what it's all about, quality. They believe in giving you quality items with great craftsmanship, but with no wholesale markup, meaning it's straight to you. They provide you direct to you prices. Their whole model is all about style without sacrifice, and I'm all about that. They had me at family-owned factories in Italy. While a lot of companies will say that their shoes or their product is made in Italy, Sarah Flint really means it. Not only are the shoes assembled in Italy, but the cutting and stitching is also done there, which not a lot of places actually do that part. So I mean, right there you had me with Italiano. A little background on me. My grandfather actually used to, for a living, make shoes and fix shoes. So he always would talk to me about the importance of a good shoe. And anytime I bought new shoes, he would always test to see if the shoe was made well and right and all the things. So this had a soft spot for me. And I mean, as soon as they contacted me, it was an immediate yes. I mean, I did my homework, but I was like, of course, that is what everything should be, quality. And I know lately I've been doing a lot of more like fast fashion try-on hauls because fast fashion is real. It's there, it's a thing. But we need to also think about quality over quantity sometimes. There's a place for both, I believe. So when it comes to clothes, I can understand that fast fashion is kind of a big deal. But with shoes, we can really think quality here because shoes you can rewear and wear over and over again. But it's been challenging because sometimes we're in a bind, we don't want to spend a lot of money, and we'll just spend it on shoes that they maybe will last a year or two, but Sarah Flint shoes are made to last. They do not cheap out here. So yes, you will be spending a little more, but it will be worth the penny, promise you. And to prove it to you, Sarah Flint did send me a pair of shoes, and I wanted to unbox them with you today. Sarah Flint believes in her shoes so much that she sends each of her brand ambassadors a pair of shoes for free. And they don't really ask for much. It's all, optional if I want to share a video about it or post about it. There's nothing else after that. There is obviously commissions to be gained and things like that, but I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm only gonna take on brand ambassadorships with programs that I actually believe in. And of course, Italian leather shoes, of course I believe in that, because that's where we always think quality is, in Italy. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna do this unboxing together. Let's go. Before I forget, I will be able to give anybody that's just to purchase a pair $50 off their first purchase. The code right here, and I'll have it in my description box below if you wish to purchase it. I am a size 7, 37 in European sizing, so I'll put that also down below. But yeah, let's get going. Okay, so I just got this literally today, so I couldn't resist, and I had to do the unboxing video today. I was like, how am I gonna live with this box just sitting in my house? So you could tell it came in just like a standard box. So we're gonna go and open it. I'm not gonna be ruthless this time, we're gonna be gentle. Wow, look at that. Do you see that like Italian blue? Just makes me think of like Amalfi Coast, ocean. Okay, oh, why am I so excited? Okay, are you with me? So you can see, look at that, presentation. We got a little something from Sarah Flint. So this is your packing slip, just kind of like a receipt, but class A. Okay, let's take this out. Okay. Could we just take a moment to appreciate the ribbon? Walk like a woman. Insert that song. What is it? Walk this way. All right, but I mean, that is just this most beautiful golden embossed. I don't even want to open it, but you can see, oh, come on. That is just classy. I'm telling you guys, I'm not just gonna put my name to some brand that I just think is whatever, just for money, because they're not even paying me. But, I just want to point out, sometimes we do need to do a little bit of quality purchasing because these are the kind of things that'll last you forever. Just saying, you buy a pair of Louboutins, you buy a Gucci bag, those are your investment pieces. But this is also a pretty legitimate brand, so give it a try, right? Oh, welcome to our family. So it says here, it is handmade by the finest Italian artisans. Said that totally wrong. Every Sarah Flint shoe is a celebration of craftsmanship handed down over generations. We believe meticulous construction and exceptional materials make for better shoes and even better experiences. We stand behind the principle of style without sacrifice. Oh, and I love this. It says this shoe was handcrafted and finished with care in Italy by, Lord help me, what is that name? If you can tell me what it says, please write it down below. All right. So it gives you kind of like a little bit breakdown of it. The perfect collection, how it's made, like memory foam padding, anatomical arch support, expanded toe box, slip resistant rubber sole. So that's all in there. Sizing notes and things like that. Okay guys, so this is like a canvas bag right here. This feels nice. Oof. Can you feel it with me? I mean, come on. She had me at the color blue too. Okay, so we got dust bags. Take one out at a time. Let me put this one down. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. I'm so excited, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really own these kind of shoes, but look at that. I think it's called the Mirjana 50 wedge. There's also an 80, which is taller, but I thought a platform would be great for the summer with my kids when I go to Italy. And look at that. Oh, handmade in Italy. Let's make sure. I'm hoping this fits, but gosh, you could feel it. It's just gorgeous. You could see here, like the structural part of the shoe. It's gotta be the anatomically correct part that they're discussing. So let's go and grab the other one. It's sister. Oh my goodness. I didn't realize how exciting this was gonna be. Okay, here we are, guys. Here are my Sarah Flint Mirjana shoe. I'll link these below too, in case you wish to purchase them. And again, you get $50 off your first purchase from Sarah Flint. And I'll let you know, again, my code will be right here and in the description box below. But, okay, let me try these on for you. So my goodness, they feel fantastic. I mean, that little arch bump that you saw before, I'm feeling it really support me. And I have been having back problems lately, so I'm excited to try these out. But it looks like the 37s are for me. I'll have to ask my no-no, make sure that they're the right fit, but I think so. But they feel very comfortable and just classy. Like you can tell already, like this is a type of design that will last forever. So, you know, this is where quality meets comfort, meets fashion and style. But yeah, guys, what do we think? Are you curious to learn more about this? Because I could do more videos if so, but I'm so excited to try these out. And you know, I'll wear them and I'll keep giving you my reviews as time goes on, so you know it's even more legitimate than I'm saying. But I appreciate you hanging out with me today during this quick but you know little announcement and unboxing for Sarah Flint. And I'm excited to keep sharing with you guys. So, and if there's anything else you wish for me to check out or try out and share, let me know in the comment box below. And again, you do get $50 off with my special code, and I will put that in the description box as well. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe and help me get to 1,000 subscribers so I can start monetizing my channel and do more fun stuff for you. Feel free to follow me on all the socials, do all the things. Until next time, YouTube, ciao. Mwah.